Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be discussing SwiftUI in 100 seconds. SwiftUI is a relatively new framework that allows developers to build applications for all of Apple's devices, including iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Using a very simple and user-friendly syntax, views can be constructed in a matter of minutes, though it does take more work to build complex apps. 2 years ago when it launched, it was widely known as a revolutionary concept but not really useful in practice. Now, with a bunch of updates to the framework itself, along with updates to the Swift language and other accompanying frameworks, SwiftUI has become a very viable tool in building an application today. That's right. Let's look over building an app really quick. SwiftUI applications are constructed using simple app structures and structs called views. You can add various UI elements within views using different layouts, such as VStacks and HStacks, like so. SwiftUI also has a nifty feature of a live preview, similar to a live reload found in web frameworks like React. You can see your changes immediately this way. Lastly, with the multi-platform app template, you can simply switch the build target to have the app run on other devices. Guess we managed to finish under 100 seconds. If you like this sort of content and want more, be sure to hit subscribe down below, like this video, and check out my previous video on the right. Peace.